ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वदरुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तः शान्तः शान्तिः। Can repeat. अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अहिवन्न ऋलक् एओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् अण् ञमङणनं जभै घढदश् जपगढदश् ठफ छठथ चटतौ कपै चषसर् हल् अकुह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचुयशानां तालु ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा ऋतुलस्थानां दन्ताः उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ ञमङणनानां नासिका च एदैतोः कण्ठतालु ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम् वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम् जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम् नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे।
रामो
राजमणि सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे।
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामेण हता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे राम मामुद्धर।
Chant all the Shabdas, revision from the Rama Shabda, not all the Shabda today. Let's chant from the beginning. Akarantaha Pullingaha Rama Shabdaha. Ramah Ramo Ramaha. Ramam Ramo Raman. Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi. Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyah. Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyah. Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam. Rame Ramayoho Rameshu. He Rama He Ramo He Ramaha. Karantaha Pullingaha Harishabdaha. Harihi Hari Harayaha. Harim Hari Harina. Harina Haribhyam Haribihi. Haraye Haribhyam Haribhyah. Harehe Haribhyam Haribhyah. Harehe Haryoho Harinam. Haro Haryoho Harishu. He Hare He Hari He Harayaha. Karantaha Pullingaha Guru Shabdaha. Guru Guru Guravaha. Gurum Guru Gurun. Guruna Gurubhyam Gurubihi. Gurave Gurubhyam Gurubhyah. Guroh Gurubhyam Gurubhyah. Guroho Guruvoho Gurunam.
गुरुवोः गुरूणाम्
Guru, Guruvoho, Gurushu.
गुरुवोः गुरुषु
He Guru, He Guravaha.
हे गुरु गुरवः
Okay, there's three Shabdas. We will chant few Shabdas every class up to whatever we have learned. Agam Shabda, Asmat Shabda, Ishmat Shabda. After that, small test will be there. We give you the Shabda, Rupam, I mean the Padam, you have to tell me what is Bhakti, what Vachan. So you have to practice.
Yes, Guruji.
I can send you homework also, that as homework after some time, not now. Now, in this Shabda, whether it is Shabda, Hari Shabda, or Guru Shabda, Rama Shabda, there you see the Tritiya Vibhakti, Guruna, and Shashti Vibhakti, Guruna, right? So,
Yep.
there it happens that Nakara, Murdhani, Nakara is there. Suppose instead of Guru, suppose if we have the other word, like say, for example, if it is Karanta Shabda, not Anuru, some Shabda, Ukaranta Shabda, or if you take the Hari Shabda, or Kavi Shabda, if you take, Tritiya Vibhakti will be,
Kavina
it is Dantya Nakara or Murdhani Nakara.
Dantyanakara.
Why it is Dantya? Why Harina is Murdhanya?
Because Rikaranta is not there in between, Repa is not there, and
Okay.
Shakara is not there.
Yes. So I explained that, right?
Yes, Ji, you have taken.
Yes, Guruji.
Very good. Okay. Similarly, okay, related to that, I'll tell you something more also.
And
Even
yours.
when intervened by, I would have said that.
Yeah,
Even
you
when
have told. Intervening letters are permissible at, ku, pu, ang, num.
Num Devaye Api, right?
Yes, Ji, you have said.
Okay. Fine. Just connecting with that. You can see the screen. Now, this is what it is. Natham. I send you this file. Some more things are there in this file, which is not required now. You will not understand. Maybe later you will understand when I cover the topic. This file has got Sattvam. What is Sattvam? We will have to see later. Sattvam, Shatvam. That also I can explain. And Natvam and Natvam. Murdhanya Nakara. Okay. Already I taught you Natvam. It's very good. Now just see this in some examples are there. Repa Shakara iti. Vikara also can be included. Okay. You can also include Rikara. Repa Shakara iti. Etabhyam varnabhyam parasya nakarasya nakaraha bhavati samana pade. Now let me ask you, tell me in this sentence, the sentence itself we can do as an exercise. What is the Kriya Padam here?
Bhavati.
Okay.
Bhavati. Kaha Bhavati?
Nakaraha bhavati.
Nakaraha Bhavati. This is Bhavati is Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. So in the sentence you have to find out which is Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. This is Nakaraha. Nakaraha Bhavati. Nakara will happen, will come. In which place?
Nakarasya.
Yeah.
What is that? It's called technically. In which place I said. So what is
Sthani.
it called? Sthani, very good. And this Nakara is
Adesha.
Adesha.
Adesh. Sthani Adesha. Sthani will be in what vibhakti?
Pradama Vibhakti.
No. Shashti vibhakti.
Oh, sorry.
Adesha in Prathama vibhakti.
Pratham.
This is technical. Okay, don't worry. That is Panya Maharishi in the Sutra Pata. He says Sthani is Shashti. Sthane Shashti. Shashti Sthane Yoga. Iti Sutra Asti. Sutra Pate. Shashti Sthane Yoga. Iti Sutrena. This Shashti vibhakti. It is not Sambandha Shashti. It is Sthane Shashti. So Sthane. Sthaninaha Sthane Adeshaha Bhavati. So Nakarasya is the Sthani. And Nakara is the Adesha. So Nakarasya. What Nakara? Parasya Nakarasya. So Parasya is the following Nakara. Following what?
Refa, Shakara, Ru.
Iti etabhyam arnabhyam. What vibhakti is etabhyam arnabhyam?
Tritiya, no. Chaturthi.
No, it is Panchami.
Pancham.
It is Panchami.
Is for somebody. Panchami is Andunam.
Okay. So Panchami is when something direction before, after, direction in terms of time, direction in terms of place is there, then Panchami is used. So etabhyam varnabhyam parasya nakarasya nakaraha adesha bhavati samanapadi. The same pada within a padam. That's what it is. Repa shakara rukara iti etabhyam varnabhyam parasya nakarasya nakaraha adesha bhavati samanapade. The same padam. That's what we translate. Preceded by Repa, Shakara, Rikara. Nakara follows. Then Dantya Nakara follows. Dantya Nakara replaced by Murdanya Nakara. Right?
So Samanapade is Saptami.
Samanapade Saptami. Yes.
The Etabhyam and Varnabhyam as in Panchami Vibhakti can be understood by the word Parasya.
Why the word Parasya? Following the word. Parasya
Following
is,
the word Parasya, so it is Panchami.
yes. Panchami. Panchami, yes, it's Panchami because Nakara follows. There is some background noises at your side. Maybe fan. So that is by the
I love the
Sutra.
fan.
That is by the Sutra Rashabhyam no Naha Samanapade. Don't worry about the Sutra. That is just given. By the, this is an explanation of the Sutra in Sanskrit. The same thing is given in English. Apadanta Nakara, when preceded immediately by Repa Shakara Rakara in the same padam, will be replaced by Murdhya. Examples, all these are examples. Matru plus na, Matru, Nam, Matru Shabda we know. We have learned Mata, Mataru, Mataraha. All these are Shashti Vibhakti. Shashti Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti. Any example you can give. The example you can see Matrunam, Nrunam, Tisrunam, Pitrunam, Bhratrunam, Chaturnam. Chaturnam, Repa is there. Therefore it becomes Dantya Nakara because Bodhani Nakara, Vistirnam, Vikirnam, all those things. Vistirnam, Vikirnam, they are not Shabda. They are not the I mean Shabda in the sense they are not from the decline from Vistirnam is a padam. It's a padam. It is not Chaturnam Shashti Bhakti, Nrunam Shashti Bhakti. Vistirnam it is it's a form which you get from the Kridanta. That's a different thing anyway. You will see what it is later. If Repa, Shakara, Rikara is not in the same padam, then Natvam will not happen. Yadi Samana Padam Nyasya Padadvayam Tataha Adhika Padani Vasyuhu Tada Nakarasya Nakara Desha Na Bhavati. If it is not the same padam, then it will not happen. That is the meaning. It is Samana Padam Nasya. Padadvayam Tataha Adhika Padani Vasyuhu. If there are padam, two padams are more than two padam, then it will not happen. Example, Nryanam. It is not Samana pada. Nru yanam. Nru is human being. Yanam is the vehicle. So it's a samasa. It's a compound word. Narasya yanam. Nru yanam. So narasya, when you say, in between other words are there, other letters are there. So it will not happen. All these are samasa. Samasa is a compound word. Vrishayanam. So Visha is there. Vrishastya Vishayanam. So samasa, it will not happen. Even in the word Sarvanama, it doesn't happen. Sarvasya Nama, Sarvanam Nama. That is why the clause is there, Samana Pade, within the same pada. It means in samasa, it will not happen. Raghunandanaha, good example. Raghunandanaha is what? Raghu Vamsha. Raghu Vamsha. Vamshasya. Raghunam. Raghu Vamshanam Nandanaha. Raghu Vamshasya. So, in between other letters are there. Therefore, it is not. Therefore, that Nattam will not happen. Naranari and all these things. Okay. Naranari. Nari, it will not happen. Narascha, Narischa, Naranari. It is again, it is samasa. So, in samasa, it will not happen. That is what is given here. Samana pade. Only within a samana pada. Padam, which is not a samasta padam. It should be a samana padam, the same padam. Samasa, it will not happen. Samasa is a compound. Two or more words combined together become a compound. So that will become a one word. When you expand the word, other words, you have, other letters will be there in between. Because it is between two words. So the other letters intervene, therefore it will not happen. Even though if it is the permissible letter, it will not happen. That is why the clause is that samana pade. Anyway, the exceptions are there. Don't worry about the exceptions. So this is the rule. Okay. Then samana pade at ku pu ang num iti etesham vyavaye api. Vyavaya means intervention. Even when this intervened, repa shakara rukara iti etebhyaha nakarasya nakaraha bhavati. Even when intervened by any number of following characters, it will happen. Example, you can see the sutra is at kupang num vyavaye api. Okay. Example, Rama plus Ina. Here in between Rama plus Ina, Repa is there. And in between Akara, Makara, Akara, Ikara is there. Still nothing will happen because all these are permissible letters. Therefore it happens. So like that, some examples are given. Okay, so if you read, you will understand this. Then other, already we have seen this, therefore there is nothing to worry. The other topics are there that we will see. That we will see when the context will come, that the time I will explain. The Sattvam, Shatvam, and all. Now, this is why I explain, because it's connected to the Shabda. Whether I want to know whether I taught you or not, I taught, I'm happy about it. Yes. So, Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda, there you see it's happening. Whereas in Kavi Shabda, it doesn't happen because there is no repa. Now, coming back to this lesson, we will read some words from the Rashtriya Sanskrit Samskhan. This book is a good book for developing your vocabulary, for developing your language, for Samskrita Sambhashanam and all. This is very useful. All the other preceding exercise, I hope we have done. If not, you do it as a homework. Doubt you can ask. This book helps you to develop vocabulary, very much vocabulary. And also to use the Kriya Padam properly. Which Kriya Padam? Aham asmi. You don't say Aham asti. Aham asmi. So all this practice, abhyasa, to be done. You have to spend a lot of time in doing this. In the beginning only you can do. After you grow up in Sanskrit, you will not have an interest in doing this. Okay, let us start. Padmaji, you can read. Abhyasaha 60. Udaharananusaram vakyani likantu. You can read. Simple vakya, you can understand the meaning.
You want me to read the Udaharanam or straight away go to the exercise?
Read from the Udaharanam.
Udaharanam. Tvam yachakaha
asi, yuvam yachakau stha, yuyam yachakaha stha. And then the next, tvam prichasi, yuvam prichatah, yuyam prichatha.
What does it mean? Reading, okay.
You yachaka is beg, right? Oh,
Yes, yes.
tvam, you are a God. You beg, right?
Mm.
You beg. You too beg. You all beg, right?
Yes.
Oh,
Not beg actually. Tvam yachakaha asi. You are a beggar.
oh.
Yeah.
You are a beggar. You two are beggars. Plural. You all are beggars. Like that.
Beggar, or you can say asker. If at all, we can use asker, the one who asks, yachaka, asking.
Okay.
If beggar, the word is not proper.
Okay.
Can
If
change it
I
to-
get you ask, you two ask, you all ask. Is that
No,
how?
no, not ask. Ask. If you
Yeah,
can,
ask.
asker. If it is there, I don't know. ASKER. You have to do.
I don't know.
It's okay. Doesn't matter. We can coin asker.
Okay.
The
Ask.
beggar, yeah, asker is better.
Okay.
Not asker, aber asker. Okay.
Asker, like asker. ASKER. Yes, I got it.
Tvam prichasi, you ask.
You, oh, here the next, you ask, you two ask, you all ask.
Okay. Fine.
Then the next example is Tvam Devaha Asi. Yuvam Devau Staha. Yuyam Devaha Sta. Tvam Rakshasi. Yuvam Rakshataha. Yuyam Rakshatha.
Rakshata.
Rakshatha. So, Tvam, you are Tvam Deva, means you are Deva, your God.
Yes.
You are God. You two are God.
That's
you all
okay. That's okay. Tvam devaha asi, you are God. Tvam rakshasi, you protect.
you protect.
Okay. And then next person, Jyotiji.
Yes, Guruji. Tvam krushakah asi, yuvam krushakau stha, yuyam krushakaha santi, stha. Tvam karshasi, yuvam karshatah, yuyam karshatha. So
And you
farmer,
can, yeah.
farmer and you farm. You do
You
the
are
work
a
of farm.
you are a
You are a
farmer.
farmer
You
and you farm.
plow.
You plow.
Karshasi. Yeah. Continue. Next one.
Tvam vaidyah asi, yuvam vaidyau stha, yuyam vaidyaha stha. Tvam chikitsasi, yuvam chikitsatha, yuyam chikitsatha. You are a doctor and you treat.
Yes.
Will I continue?
Yeah, please read.
Tvam nartaki asi, yuvam nartakyau stha, yuyam nartakyaha stha.
Nartakyaha. It's Nadi Shabdavat.
Nartakyah stha. Tvam nrityasi, yuvam nrityatha, yuyam nrityatha.
Okay,
You
next
are
person.
a dance.
Yes, you are a dancer. You dance.
Dance.
Kausalya, next one.
Tvam janakah asi, yuvam janakau stha, yuyam janakaha stha. Tvam palayasi, yuvam palayatha, yuyam palayatha. Janakaha, you are king and you protect, you take
Yes.
care.
Janaka has got many meaning. Father also, king also. Okay,
Okay.
continue.
Tvam chatra asi, yuvam chatrau stha, yuyam chatraha stha. Tvam patasi,
Chatra, it is
Chatra
chatre.
is-
Chatre, sorry. Chatre, chatraha.
Strilinga, therefore chatra, chatre.
Okay, sorry. Tvam chatra asi, yuvam chatre staha, yuyam chatraha sta. Tvam patasi, yuvam patataha, yuyam patatha. Tvam arakshakaha asi, yuvam arakshakau staha, yuyam arakshakaha sta. Tvam rakshasi, yuvam rakshataha, yuyam rakshatha. Should I do the next one? Guruji?
Yeah, complete this. Yeah.
Okay. Tvam tantuvayah asi, yuvam tantuvayau stha, yuyam tantuvayaha stha. Tvam vayasi, yuvam vayatha, yuyam vayatha. What's tantuvayaha, Guruji?
Weaver.
Weaver, Nesavala.
Tantu is the yarn. Tantum vayati iti tantuvayaha. Similarly, raksh dhatu. Asamanta rakshati. A rakshakaha. It's a complete protector. Supposed to be. Okay, next one. Rajesh.
So what do you mean by Tantuvaya?
It's Tantuvayaha is a weaver. The one who weaves.
Okay. And
Tantuvayaha.
Chikitsasi?
Chikitsati is it treats. Doctor. Chikitsa. Chikitsa is treatment. Chikitsa.
Okay.
All these words you need to remember. You have to develop your vocabulary. So, okay, next one. Rajeshwari.
अहम अध्यापकः अस्मि युवां वैद्यः सॉरी युवां वैद्याः
It is not
sorry,
yuvam.
यूयं वैद्याः स्मः स्वः
No. It can be smaha.
स्वः स्वः
Yuyam vaidyaha. What purusha is that?
द्वितीय उत्तम पुरुष द्वितीय वचन सो स्वः
It is uttama purusha.
अहम सॉरी युवां sorry युवां स्तः
It is not yuvam. It is yuyam is there. Okay. Yuyam vaidyaha.
1 second, sorry, because here no. Okay. यूयं वैद्याः स्तः
No.
आवां
No. It's not correct. No. Yuyam vaidyaha. It is bhagavachana.
स्तः sorry
Stha.
यूयं वैद्याः स्तः आवां मित्रे स्वः.
This is abhyasa only has to come. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Please read, continue.
त्वं छात्रः असि वयं छात्राः स्मः युवां छात्रे
Yuvam is there.
स्तः
Staha. Yuvam is immediately I have to say staha.
स्तः.
No thinking. Immediately sta. So yuyam sta. Tvam asi. Aham asmi. Avam swaha. Vayam smaha. But abhyasa has to come. Okay. Continue. Third one.
अहं वैद्यः अस्मि वयं राजपुत्राः स्मः ते कन्ये स्तः.
What vachanam is that? Taken ye.
बहुवचन
No?
बहुवचन sorry ते कन्ये
It is not bhagavachanam. It is not bhagavachanam.
Dvivachanam, Guruji. Strilinga.
Kanya, Strilinga. It is dvivachanam. Sate taha. Sate. Kanya kanye. So, therefore, staha. Alpa prana. Te kanye staha.
ते कन्ये स्तः.
Alpa prana.
I need practice more.
That's what we are doing in the class. Yes. Next person. Girija.
Yes, Guruji. Tvam rubnah asi ताः बालिकाः स्तः तौ बालौ स्तः अहं सेवकः अस्मि यूयं
अर्चकाः स्मः
Not smaha.
Etau.
Yuyam.
यूयं स्मः.
No, how can be smaha?
Sorry. Sorry. यूयं स्था. यूयं अर्चकाः स्था. एतौ नृपौ स्तः. अहं छात्रा अस्मि. ताः महिला स्तः.
Taha mahilaha.
ताः महिलाः स्तः.
How can be sta? I thought all these exercises would be easy for you, all of you.
ताः.
No.
ताः. Oh, this is सन्ति. ताः
सन्ति.
महिलाः सन्ति.
Hmm.
तौ सचिवौ स्तः.
Staha alpa prana. Okay.
Yeah.
Continue. Next one.
त्वं सेवकः असि. ते धनिकाः स्तः.
Te dhanikaha, not staha. What
Stha.
purusha is that?
That is Pradama Purusha, Guruji.
Where is sta? Therefore, where is sta?
Te धनिकाः स्तः.
No, there is no staha there. I mean, Mahaprana I'm saying.
ते
Te is-
धनिकाः स्तः.
Hmm. Santi,
Yeah, it's not
Bhagavachanam,
Mahaprana,
right?
Guruji.
It is
धनिकाः
Bhagavachanam.
is okay. Santi. Okay.
Santi. Te dhanikaha santi.
Yes,
They are rich
yes.
people.
धनिकाः. एतौ वानरौ स्तः. Not Mahaprana, Alpaprana स्तः.
Hmm.
अहम् अध्यापिका अस्मि. एते अध्यापिकाः स्वः.
Adhyapakaha. Here it is ete adhyapakaha.
अध्यापकाः स्तः.
Okay, suppose if it is
एते is पुल्लिङ्गं.
ete adhya, no, ete need not be pulling. Suppose if it is ete adhyapikaha, then what does it mean?
That is द्विवचनं, Guruji. एते अध्यापिकाः स्तः.
No. It cannot be. The sentence is wrong. Ete adhyapikaha, I'm saying. Is it correct?
अध्यापिकाः. No,
एते अध्यापिके.
Very good. Ete adhyapike, it must be.
अध्यापिके. Yeah.
Ete is Brivachanam. Therefore, adhyapike it must be. Therefore, it is adhyapakaha. Therefore, it must be pullinga. Therefore, Bhagavachanam.
अध्यापिकाः
Adhyapakaha.
पकाः
Hmm.
सन्ति.
Santi.
आवां धनिकौ स्वः.
But next person. Pataji.
Thank you.
Number 9. Pataji, are you there?
Yeah. Aham vruddhah अस्मि. एताः बालिकाः
Etaha balikaha. What?
बालिकाः
Santi. Don't
Santi.
forget Santi. Asti staha santi. Okay. I think we can
You-
chant once and come back. 1 minute. Okay.
युवां
All of you can repeat this and then we'll do it. Asti staha santi.
अस्ति स्तः
स्तः
सन्ति.
सन्ति.
Asi staha stha.
असि
स्तः
स्तः.
Asmi swaha smaha.
अस्मि
स्वः
स्वः
स्मः.
Nice. Asmi is aham. Aham asmi. Avam swaha mayam smaha. Tvam asi ivam staha yuyam staha. This is simple. This you can easily make up because aham only possible for Uttama Purusha. Tvam only is possible for Madhyama Purusha. Everything else is Prathama Purusha. In Prathama Purusha, it is Asti Staha Santi. You see where what it Purusha is at first. Then what Vachana is. Then fix the Kriya Padam, right? Okay. Now, continue.
युवां
Agam Vruddhaha. That is number 9. Etaha Balikaha Santi.
सन्ति. युवां श्रमिकौ स्तः.
Shramika is the one who is striver, putting effort. Okay.
Then tvam dhanikah asi. Vayam sorry, shramikaha.
Vayam, when I say, you have to remember what Vayam is. It is Uttama Purusha, Bhagavachana. You need not chant Agam, Avam, Vayam. Vayam is Uttama Purusha. You must remember. Agam is Ekavachana, Vayam is Bhagavachana. Can't be Swaha, it is Smaha.
Smaha, Smaha. Vayam.
Agam Asmi, Avam Swaha, Vayam Smaha. Remember, Agam Asmi, Avam Swaha, Vayam Smaha. So when you say Vayam, it must be Smaha, Vayam Smaha. Shamikaha Smaha.
Te pushpe staha.
Next person. I mean, sorry, this person, Lataji, continue.
Te pushpe.
Venaji, please.
Te pushpe santi. Aham nirdhanah asmi.
Te pushpe santi, no. Yeah, sorry. Te pushpe. No, te pushpe santi. Just think.
Okay. Satetaha. Staha. Te pushpe.
No. Think. Te pushpe santi. Pushpam. Pushpa is what linga?
Pushpa is Napunsakalinga.
Therefore,
Pushpam, Palam Phale Palani.
Te is not Bhagavachana. Therefore, Te is not Bhagavachana.
Tattetani.
Tattetani Satetaha. Sorry, Satetaha. Dvitiya.
Satetaha not required. Leave that. It is when you say Napumsakalinga, Pushpam, why we need
Okay,
Satetaha.
Tattetani.
Therefore, Te is what Vachana?
Dviyachanam.
Pushpa is Napumsakalinga, Te is therefore has been Napumsakalinga, Pushpe Dvivachanam, Te is Dvivachanam, therefore Kriyapadam is
Sorry.
Staha. It is okay, not Santi.
Staha.
Continue.
Okay, aham nirdhanah asmi.
I hope you understand the meaning of all the words. Nirdhanaha.
Sajjanaha. Yuyam sajjanaha. Santi.
How can be Santi? Yuyam in what Purusha?
Madhyama Purusha. Yuyam sajjanaha. Sta.
Yuyam sajjanaha sta.
Okay. Te adhyapike sta. Aham chatraha asmi.
What is sta? Te adhyapike sta. What Purusha is that?
It is satetaha.
That's okay, man. I don't want a shabda. I'm asking what Purusha is Te.
It is Pratama Madhyama Purusha.
It's Madhyama Purusha.
No, sorry, Pratama Purusha.
Pratama Purusha, then what did you say?
Okay.
Sta you said.
Sta.
It's
Alpa
not,
Prana.
it is not sta. Asti staha only is there. There is no sta. We have sta. We don't have alpa prana sta. Asti staha only. Te adhyapike staha.
Asti.
Okay. This is not okay. Not this exercise. This exercise is homework for all of you.
No, I have to practice.
You have to practice. Of course, you have to practice. All these are basic things. I thought this book will be very easy. You can easily go through this. But almost all of you are struggling. Abhyasa number 61. It is your homework. Each sentence you have to do for all the vachana. Remember, Abhyasa 61, all the vachanas. You take it as a homework and do. What I mean is, each sentence, Agam Adhyapakaha Asmi, number 1. The second sentence, Avam, then what will come? Avam Adhyapakau Swaha. Vayam Adhyapakaha Smaha. So, Agam for all the vachanam. Similarly, Yuyam, all the vachanam. Avam, Yuyam is how do you do? Tvam Vaidyaha Asi. Yuvam Vaidyav Staha. Yuyam Vaidyaha Sta. So 3 sentences come for each sentence. Aham Mitraha Asmi. Avam Mitre Swaha. Vayam Mitrani. Aham Mitram, not Mitraha. Aham Mitram. I think I said Mitram. Agam Mitram Asmi. Avam Mitre. Mitra is Napumsakalinga. Okay. Avam Mitre Swaha. Vayam Mitrani smaha. So, like that, each sentence, for each sentence, you have 3 sentences. What you can do for all the sentence in this exercise, even though you have read now, you do it. Okay. Then only you will get abhyasa. Okay, the next person, Rajaji. Which sentence?
Yeah, aham chatrah asmi. ते आरक्षकाः सन्ति एते लेखन्यौ स्तः
Good.
अहं भक्तः अस्मि ताः गृहण्यः सन्ति ते यन्त्रे स्तः त्वम् ईश्वरः असि एताः सेविकाः सन्ति युवां चतुरौ स्तः. Should I continue, Guruji?
Yeah, continue. Chatura is intelligent. You two are intelligent.
Yeah.
Okay.
सः गणेशः अस्ति यूयं कर्मकाराः
No, karmakaraha, not kara.
कर्मकरा
Karmakaraha.
आवां राष्ट्रभक्तौ स्वः. सा लता अस्ति ते निर्धनाः सन्ति एते बालिके स्तः.
Next person, Surendra.
Which is the number? Number
17.
Aham Mohana Asmi.
Mohanaha asmi. That is from Mohana.
Aham Mohanaha Asmi. Vayam Shuraha Smaha. Avam Grihenyo Staha.
Staha. Avam is what vachanam? How will be staha?
Avam is Uttamapurusha Divajana, no? Avam.
Yes. How can be staha?
Smaha.
Avam grihinyau swaha. You have to practice, Surendra. I don't know whether do some abhyasa.
Taha.
Abhyasa is required. All these are basic things.
Taha.
Not staha. That's what I said. It is swaha, not staha. How can be it's staha? Okay.
Sorry.
You do abhyasa. You have to write. You have to write as many sentences as per. Then only you will get the practice.
Soha. Correct.
Otherwise, we will just be doing aham, aham, mayam, maybe. Stick only with this. You will not be able to move forward. You have to be fair.
Smaha. Soha.
Continue. Please continue. Yes.
Tum
Quickly.
Ramesha Asi.
Tvam Rameshaha asi, not Ramesha. Ramesha is wrong. Tvam Rameshaha.
Tum Ramesha Asi. Vayam
Please read quickly.
Shuraha.
Shuraha. No. You are reading number 18. Are you reading number 18? Tvam Rameshaha asi. The next.
Vayam Desha Bhaktaha Smaha. Yuvam Sevikaha.
Do you use a laptop or you use mobile or what do you use?
Mobile.
That's the problem.
My laptop is not working today. It's not working properly.
Yuvam Sevike, not Sevika. How can be Sevika? Yuvam is
Yuvam
Dvivachana.
Sevike. Yeah, correct. Dvivachana Rame Shabda. Rama Shabda. Yuvam Sevike.
Complete. Sevike what?
Saha.
Sevike Staha. Okay. So you have to practice, Surendraji. Then we will
Okay.
need to. I gave you this homework. Please do this homework. Each
Okay,
sentence,
okay.
three Vakyas will come. And many of you are reading the Yuvam. It is not Yuvam. It is Yuvam. It is not Yuvam. It is not Dirga. Yu is Rasva. Yuvam. Fine. This lesson number 61. I just thought we'll try this lesson, but this lesson itself, I think, need to spend time. You have to do a lot of abhyasa in this. Please take this exercise, abhyasa number 61 as homework and do it. You remind me next class, 62 we have to do. Please note one of you. 62 we have to do. Right? So now we will continue with the Sandhi, what I was teaching in the last class. Okay. This can you all follow Sandhi? What I have taught so far, Sandhi.
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Because this exercise you are struggling, then it should not be too much, Sandhi. Okay. Just a quick recap of what we have seen. This is a file on Sandhi. I prepared notes for this. Whatever I taught, that is put in the form of a Word file. The format what you can understand. Sakara at the end of the padam becomes repa by becoming ru. But we have to understand. By becoming ru, it becomes ru and then repa. Okay. So it is ru. Rama plus Su is a Rama plus Su. Su is a pratyaya. And the content is Sakara plus Ukara. Ukara is ita letter, therefore Ramas. Ramas at the Sakara at the end of the Padam, therefore become Ramar. Therefore, it is Ramar. At the end of the Padam are followed by Kar letter, Repa is replaced by Visarga, which we saw. Another example I have given here, but also it's easy. For the Dhatu, the Tinganta example I have given. This is Subanta example. Ramaha is Subanta example. For Tinganta example, Pat Dhatu, Pata plus Tas is a Pratyaya. Pratama Purusha, Dvivachana Pratyaya. That is why you have Patati, Patataha, Ti Taha, Anti, which we saw. Ti Taha, Anti, Si Tahata. Remember? Ni Vaha, Maha. So Tas is a Pratyaya. Tas is the Pratyaya. Do you remember Ti Taha, Anti? All of you.
Yes.
Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Not forget all those things important. Titaha, Anti, Sitahata,
Sitahata, Mivaha, Maha.
Nivahamaha.
So this is the pratyaya. Lat lakara, ting pratyaya. Titaha, Anti, Sitahata, Nivaha, Maha. We taught you this. So Pratama Purusha Dvivachana is Taha is there. Actually originally it was Tas. This is the original pratyaya. For the present tense, it becomes Titaha, Anti, Sitahata, Nivaha, Maha. So the pratyaya is Tas is a pratyaya. The Tas only became
Visarga.
Taha. That is what it is. Example I have given. Okay. So you can follow. That is what I have given here. That is Pata plus Tas. Pata plus Tas. Sakara. Sakara becoming. The Pata plus Tas is Patatas. Now this is a Padam. Because Supting Anta Padam. This is a Ting Pratyaya. Ting Pratyaya, that Pratyaya added to Dhatu. Therefore it becomes a Padam. Now Sakara is Padanta Sakara. Padanta
Yeah.
Sakara, therefore becoming Ru, therefore Repa. Patatar. That Patatar will become Repa at the end of the Padam or followed by Kar. Okay, this is how become Repa. When change is happening to Repa, when does it become Repa? Sorry, Repa will become Visarga. When does Repa become Visarga? Repa will become Visarga when it is at the end of the Padam. So Ramar is at the end of the Padam becomes Ramaha. Krishna becomes Krishnaha. So Patatar become Patataha. That is how we get Patataha. That is number one. When followed by Kar, what will happen? Ramar plus Khadati, Kar letter. This Repa is replaced by Visarga. So Ramaha, Khadati or Ardha Visarga is it. Optionally Ardha Visarga. Then this only Kar letter only I divided into 3 categories, but in this document you will not find 3 categories at all. 3 categories only for your understanding. I made 3 categories like Ka, Kha, Pa, Pa, that is one category. Other category is sibilants. The left out is one category. Okay. In this document you don't find all those things. Then Krishnar plus Shete, what letter follows here? Kar letter follows. Therefore, Krishnar, the Repa becomes Visarga. Krishnaha Shete. Shete means sleeps. Krishna sleeps. Now, the Repa will become Visarga also when there is a pause between the words or sentences. Example, Ramar, after that Avasana, a pause is there. Therefore, become Ramaha. Then Putrar. Putrar, after that, nothing follows. Only Avasana. That is a Danda. Full stop is there. Therefore, Putraha. So, Ramaha, Putraha. So, you know now, how when Repa will become Visarga. At the end of the Padam, or followed by Kar, or when it is, that is when there is Avasana, the pause. So here Danda, the Danda means, the full stop, indicate the end of the sentence, and there is a pause when the next sentence follows. This is what it is. Now the summary, Padanta Sakara becomes a Repa and then becomes Visarga. This is what we have learned so far, right? Then this note I will explain later. Up to this we know. Now coming back to the class board. This category 1, C1 we have seen, and C2, which I was teaching in the last class. I guess an example. When followed by the letters, Chakara, Takara, Takara, Chakara, Takara, Takara. These 6 letters. These are the category 2. And the category C is the sibilants. So what happens when these letters follow? We have seen that Visarga is replaced by Sakara. So here in the place of Repa only, Visarga has come. When does it come? When followed by Kar letter. Here, Chakara is the Kar letter. Now the same Visarga, what will happen? Because it is followed by Kar letter, it is replaced by Sakara. So you see, from Sakara, Sakara comes. But both the Sakaras are different. Understand? The Sakara from which it came. Here, Vriksha plus Su. That is Vrikshas. From this Sakara only, all these things have come. So this Sakara only has become, this Sakara, Vrikshas Sakara only has become here, Vrikshas Chadayati, this Sakara. But that's the difference. This is the Sakara belonging to the Pratyaya, the Pratyaya Sakara, which became Ru. The Ru is nothing but a Repa. And the Repa became Visarga followed by the Kar letter, which we know very well, that's the rule. Then that Visarga, when followed by Kar letter, again becomes Sakara. So again it becomes Sakara. This Sakara is Adesha Sakara. This Sakara is what Sakara? Adesha Sakara. And this Sakara is Pratyaya Sakara. Okay, that is the difference. Anyway, so from Sakara became Repa, Repa become Visarga, Visarga again becomes Sakara. What is the condition? Sakara, it became Repa is Padanta condition. Padanta Sakara becoming Repa. Now the Repa became Visarga followed by Kar letter. And the Visarga became Sakara followed by Kar letter. Therefore, Vrikshas Chadayati. Can you follow up with this? Nothing new.
Yes.
Nothing is taught. Now the Sakara is weak element. When followed by the Kar letter. When followed by the Kar letter, other than Ka, Kha, Pa, Pa, the fourth, this will undergo change. When it is followed by, we saw, when followed by Shakara or Chakara, followed by or in contact with, not followed by, in contact with, that is the right word. In contact, because Sakara, it is followed by Chakara, Shakara, Chakara, or preceded by. It can be both. That's why I said contact. It need not follow. It can that Shakara, Chakara can precede also. Shakara or Chakara. Not plus Shakara or Shakara cannot plus. Okay. Plus means it is not really plus. It is either Shakara or Chakara. Either Shakara or Chakara precedes Sakara, or this Shakara, Chakara follows Sakara. In both cases, what will happen? The Sakara is only going to change. What will happen to Sakara? It will become Talavya Shakara, because Sakara is Ushma letter. So it has to be replaced by a Ushma letter only. Being Ushma Varna, sibilant, it has to be replaced by sibilant. What is the best replacement? It depends on what it has contact with. The following letter is a palatal letter. Therefore, the palatal sibilant, that is Shakara, replaces Sakara. Therefore, you have got Vrikshas. Yeah, Vrikshas Chadayati. Right? Vrikshas Chadayati. Then the next example we saw Naras Chalati. Here also you can see that in the place of Visarga, it has come, we know it came, followed by Kar letter, Visargasya Sthane, Sakaraha Adesha Bhavati, and the Sakara now is in contact with Chakara. Sakara is palatal, the Sakara is dental, Chakara is palatal. Therefore, because it has contact with Chakara, it is replaced by Shakara. Therefore, Naraschalati. So, therefore, we can say that Sakara, when it has contact with, when in contact with Chakara or Chakara, what will happen? Sakara, when contact with Chakara or Chakara, will be replaced by Shakara. Right? Sakara, when contact with Chakara or Chakara, will be replaced by Shakara. And also, the same thing, Sakara in contact with Shakara will be replaced by Shakara. So, Sakara can become Shakara under these two conditions, under the two following the possibility. Sakara can become Shakara when it is in contact with Chakara or Chakara or Shakara. Understand? Example I have given, Naraha Chalati, this example I have given. This example also I have given, Vrikshas Chadayati. This example also I have given, where? Krishnaha Shete, in that example. Now, this is what Shakara contact is what called category 3. Therefore, this category we are going to see, because there is going to be an optional form. So, that we will see, it's going to come. So let me mark it in a different color so that we can discuss that separately. Now, Sakara now in contact with Takara or Takara. Then what will happen? Murdanya Shakara. It will become Murdanya Shakara. The same thing here. Sakara, and just copy paste this one. Sakara, when in contact with takara or takara, will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara.
Guruji, I have a doubt here. Ramaha tiktade. Ramas tikade. Now, ta, before that E is coming, no?
Before that E is coming, where is he?
Tikade means
Hmm.
ta plus E, no? E plus.
E plus ta or ta plus E? Takara plus E or E plus takara?
Oh, it's a ta plus E.
Takara plus E, not ta. Okay. I hope you understand. Sakara now, the next one. Sakara in contact with Murdanya Shakara will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara. So this is also, this is called category 3 because Sakara in contact with the sibilants. We are going to see. Next one. The left out curl letter is Takara and Takara. What will happen? Takara, they are dental. So therefore, it has to be this Sakara, this Visarga has to be this Sakara, which has come in the place of Visarga, has to be replaced by Sakara only. Therefore, no real replacement. So Naraha Sarati becomes Naras Sarati and Naras Sarati because here Naraha, okay, Sarati is, let me change it to Tarati. That would be the example. Naraha Tarati. Naras Tarati becomes Naras Tarati. No change happens. Sakara remains as it is. Okay. So whether it is Takara, Sakara remains, or when followed by the sibilant letter Sakara, like in this example, Harishchandraha Satyam. Here Visarga is replaced by the Shar letter. Therefore, it's a Kar letter. Therefore, it is replaced by Sakara and it is in contact with the Sakara. Nothing happens. Therefore, Harishchandras Satyam. Harishchandras Satyam it is. Nothing happens. So, the summary is Visarga followed by Kar will be replaced by Sakara, and Sakara will be replaced by Shakara when in contact with Shakara. Then Sakara will be replaced by Shakara when it is in contact with Takara. Now Sakara will be replaced by Sakara. It is not really a replacement. It just remains as it is when it is in contact with Takara. This is what we saw, and the examples are here. Now the category 3 only we have to see. That is, what will happen to Sakara? Now the topic is Sakara. Sakara, when in contact with what letter is left out from the Kar letter, the sibilant, Shar letter, right? The 13 letters are there in Kar letter. Among the 13 Kar letters, Ka, Kha, Pa, Pa, we have seen. They are replaced by Visarga, when followed by replaced by Visarga, Ardha Visarga, we have seen. Then Cha, Cha, Ta, 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 the 6 letters we saw. What will happen to the Sakara? It depends on what follows. Replaced by Talave Shakara or Murdanya Shakara, depending on what follows. So these letters are covered. Now Shar letter. What are the Shar letters? Shakara, Murdanya Shakara, then Sakara. These are the 3 Shar letters. What will happen when the Shar letter follows? That is a question. Now you can see Ramaha plus Shete. Ramaha plus Shete. What will happen? Visarga is replaced by? Visarga must be replaced by what?
Sakara.
Shakara.
Sakara.
First it is replaced by Sakara because the first is what follows? Kar letter follows. You have to see the following letter Shakara as a Kar letter. Kar letter follows. Therefore, what happens? It is replaced by it is replaced by Sakara. It is replaced by Sakara. Therefore, Ramas plus Shete. Now Sakara is in contact with Talave Shakara. What will happen? Becomes Ramashete, right? Then Ramaha Shete, the same thing I copy paste here. This Ramaha Shete, Visarga. Now, Visarga, I look upon the following letter as, you can see now, Visarga followed by Shar letter. Within Kar, it is a Shar letter. Then what we say is, Visarga is replaced by Visarga. So Ramaha Shete. So within a Kar letter, the Shar letter follows, then Visarga will be replaced by Visarga optionally. That is why we have two forms, Ramashete or Ramagashete. Both are okay. We have got optional form. Can you follow?
Yes.
Ji,
Yes, Guruji.
I can
correct.
follow. Ji, here it is Ramaga Shete. Ramaga plus Shete. It is in sibilance. Ramaga plus Shete. Here the second is in Kar letter. Correct, Ji?
Again, I didn't get you. Ramaha plus, the first one is Ramaha plus Shete. Shakara, the following letter is a Kar letter. So applying the rule, general rule, Visarga is replaced by Sakara. And then Sakara in contact with Shakara, therefore Ramashete. The second possibility, the second optional is you look upon the Shakara as a Shar letter because Shar is a subset of Kar, right? Therefore, Visarga is replaced by Visarga. Ramaha Shete. Understand?
Both are correct.
Both two forms are there. When followed by Shar letter, we have two forms.
Okay, Ji. Okay.
Okay. The same thing.
Guruji.
Yes.
Guruji, can we, so this is like a Apavada similar to
There is no
Kar,
Apavada. There is no Apavada. We have got two forms. It is not Apavada. It's got two forms. When followed by Shar letter, it has got two forms. When followed by other than Shar letter, other than Shar means the Kar letter other than Shar, then it must be replaced by Sakara. And within that Kar letter also, if it is followed by Kakha Papa, it has to be replaced by either Ardha Visarga or Visarga remains. Okay, that is how it is.
Guruji, so here also the Visarga remains. No? So can we not call it as Apavada?
It's not Apavada. Why Apavada is, that should not be. It is not Apavada. Optional form. This is not Apavada.
Okay.
Apavada is, the Utsarga is negated only, it's Apavada. It's not negated. Where it's negated, Ramasheta is there. Therefore, it is not Apavada.
Okay.
Okay. So, the same thing you can see here explained here. What will happen to the Visarga?
Guruji, what about the if it is followed by Murdanya Shakara and
the same thing. Visarga will remain optional. Visarga will remain optional.
Will both forms be applicable for other two?
Yes, both forms.
Okay.
That's why we're going to see now.
Okay.
You can see the summary here, not summary, the changes happening to Visarga. So Visarga is there now. Now what will happen to Visarga when followed by the letters? That is when followed by the Al. Al includes all the letters. It is combination of Ash plus Kar. As I told you before, we are not interested in Ash letter now. We are interested only in Kar letter. Okay, so changes happening to Visarga when followed by Kar and Ash will be dealt below. Now, here the important point to be noted is Visarga when it is followed by Kar letter, as I told repeatedly, you remember, when Visarga is followed by Kar letter, we have to consider only the following letter. We don't bother about what precedes, number one. We have to remember this. When Visarga is followed by Ash letter includes the vowels and the soft consonants. Then we have to consider the preceding letter also. That we will see later. We have not seen yet. Now the changes happening to Visarga will be followed by Kar will be dealt. That is what we are dealing with now. You can see changes happening to Visarga when followed by Kar. Visarga when followed by Kar letter will be replaced by Sakara. This is a rule. Already you know in the Sandhi chart also it is there. You can see which I sent you. Visarga followed by Kar letter will be replaced by Sakara. Now if the Kar letter is Chakara or Chakara, what will happen? Udaharanam we have seen Ramaha plus Charati. Visarga is there, followed by Charati, Chakara. Therefore, Visarga is replaced by Sakara, Ramas Charati. Then Sakara in contact with Chakara, therefore it will become Ramas Charati. That comes later. That is the next rule. You have to apply that rule. Otherwise, it is not complete. You cannot stop here. Okay, that will come that. Then Ramaha plus Chadayati. Visarga is in contact with Chakara. Therefore, Visarga is replaced by Sakara. Further change happening to Sakara when followed by Chakara is discussed in Chutva Sandhi. That is what we saw. Chutva Sandhi means it is replaced by Chutva Sandhi is a name. Okay, is a name. That is Sakara is replaced by Shakara. That is what Chutva Sandhi says. That we will see. Already we have seen that the naming only is given here. Naming for Sakara becoming Talavi Shakara. Here Chutva Shakara is the Talavi Shakara. Now, Kar letter, if the Kar letter is Takara or Takara, what will happen? Ramaha plus Tikate. Visarga replaced by Sakara and Takara follows. Therefore, Takara follows. Therefore, Visarga is replaced by Sakara. Ramas Tikate. Then further change happens that is dealt with Shtutva Sandhi, which already I explained. Sakara will be replaced by Murdhanya Shakara because it is in contact with Takara or Takara. Ramaha Shashtaha. Ramas plus Ramas Shashtaha. So Visarga is replaced by Sakara because the following letter is a Kar letter. With Kar letter it is Shakara. Within Kar letter it is a Shar letter. Therefore, the rule what we saw now, it will apply. What will happen? Krishna Kumar, you asked me the doubt. So it will become Ramaha Shashtaha. So optionally Ramaha Shashtaha. Or if you do,
it can also become Ramas Shashtaha.
Ramash Shashtaha. Yes, it will become Ramash Shashtaha. Right? Two forms are there. That is what I explained now. Here, this document step by step it is given. I think it's really spoon feeding. So if you can read this, you will understand. Whatever I explained, the same thing is captured. Whatever we discussed so many classes, everything is there. If the Kar letter is Takara or Takara, then what will happen? Nothing happens. Visarga followed by Kar letter, it becomes Sakara. That's all. After that, nothing happens to Sakara. If the Kar letter is Kakara or Kakara, which we know very well, it is replaced by Ardha Visarga. Option. Therefore, you have two forms. One is with Visarga, option 1. Other one is with Ardha Visarga, Jitva Moliyam, Rama Khadati. That is option 2. If the Kar letter is Pakara Pakara, that is following Kar letter is Pakara Pakara, what will happen here also? The Visarga is replaced by Ardha Visarga optionally. Therefore, you have two forms, Ramaha Patati or Ramav Patati. Up to this, we know very well. Then today, what I thought something new is this Shar letter. If the Kar letter is Shar letter, then what will happen? That Visarga is replaced by Sakara optionally. Therefore, two forms are possible. Example, Ramaha plus Srijati. Visarga is followed by what letter? Kar letter. Therefore, Visarga will become Sakara. Therefore, Ramas Srijati. That is one form. Then, looking upon the Kar letter as a Shar letter, because Shar is a subset of Kar. Therefore, Visarga will remain as it is because replacement of Sakara, replacement of Visarga by Sakara is optional, we said. Therefore, Visarga remains as it is. Therefore, Ramaha Srijati, Ramas Srijati. Two forms are there. Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes,
This
Guruji.
option number 1, that is what you find in the text like Gita and other text. Option number 1 is find you will find that application everywhere. Example, you can see the Gita. I'll show you the application of the Sandhi rule. The second line you can see. Mamaka Pandavas Chaiva. Visarga is there. Either Visarga can be read. Visarga can be read as it is. Mamakaha Pandavas Chaiva or Mamakav Pandavas Chaiva. We can read, right? What is Pandavas Chaiva? You know it very well. Pandavas Chaiva.
Pandavaha eva.
Cha plus eva chaiva. That is Vriddhi Sandhi. We know it very well, right? That is Vriddhi Sandhi. Cha plus eva is chaiva. What Sandhi is that? Vriddhi. Now, Pandavaha plus chaiva. Pandavaha plus chaiva. Let me type it and show you. Pandavaha plus chaiva. Whatever you learned now, you have to apply application. Pandavaha plus cha plus eva. Cha plus eva is chaiva, Vriddhi Sandhi. That we have spent a lot of time, you must be knowing. Okay. Cha plus eva is chaiva. Pandavaha plus chaiva. Visarga is followed by what letter?
Chakara.
Takara.
What letter?
Chakara.
What letter?
Kar.
You have to say kar letter.
Kar letter.
We are going to apply the rule. Kar letter. Therefore, Visarga will be replaced by Sakara.
Sakara.
Chaiva. Now, what will happen to Sakara? Sakara is in contact with
Chakara.
Shakara. So it will be replaced by
Shakara.
Shakara. Therefore, Pandavas Chaiva. This is what is there in the shloka.
Shutva Sandhi.
This is called Shutva Sandhi. So that we'll talk about. I already have taught you, but in the document we will see that. So Pandavas Chaiva, it is there. Then so many examples you will see in the first chapter of the Gita. Okay. Viratascha, Drupadascha. What is the Viratascha, Drupadascha?
Virataha cha, Drupadaha cha.
Virataha plus cha, Drupadaha plus cha. Virataha plus cha. Virataha. What will happen to Visarga?
Becomes Sakara.
Because followed by
Kar letter.
Kar letter. And the kar letter is Shakara. Therefore, what will happen to Sakara? It will not stop there.
It becomes Shakara.
Shakara. Viratascha. So you get Viratascha. Similarly, Drupadaha plus cha, Drupadascha. If you don't know Sandhi, how will you split? You cannot split Gita. Similarly, Drishtaketuhu plus Chekitanaha plus Kashirajaha. Here Visarga followed by Kakara, kar letter. Drishtaketuhu plus Chekitanaha plus Kashirajaha plus Cha. How many Sandhis? All the Sandhis do we know or not?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
All the Sandhis you know. Drishtaketuhu plus Chekitanaha. Visarga is replaced by Sakara, followed by Chakara is there. Therefore, Shakara comes. Drishtaketus Chekitanaha. And Visarga remains as it is because followed by third letter, which is Takara, category number 1. And Kashi Rajascha also, Sandhi is there. Kashi Rajaha plus Cha. Right? Then Purajit Kunti Bojascha. Kunti Bojascha, same Sandhi. So it is your homework. Take the first chapter of the Gita, find out these rules and write that. Shaibhyascha. Shaibhyascha is what?
Shaibhyaha cha.
Shaibhyaha plus cha.
Plus cha.
Yudhamanyuscha.
Yudhamanyuhu plus cha.
Uttamaujascha.
Uttamaujah plus cha.
So Draupadeyascha.
Draupadeyaha
plus cha.
Right. So you will see a lot of examples in this first chapter of the Gita. You can see that. Now, I want to show you this one. Anyecha Bhagavaha Shuraha. What happened to Sakara here? Visarga here. Bhagavaha.
It remains as it is.
It remains as it is.
Visarga followed by Shar letter. So you can have an option of either Bhavah Shura or Bhavah Shuraha.
Bahava Shuraha.
Two forms are possible. Here, generally you will see Visarga remaining. Bhagavaha Shuraha. Bhagavaha Visarga followed by what letter?
Shar letter.
Kar letter.
If you look upon it as
Shar
a kar,
sub option.
if you look upon it as a kar letter, then Sakara will come.
It is
Okay.
a Shar letter.
No, it's okay. If you look upon it as a kar letter, listen, if you look upon as a kar letter, then Sakara will come. Then Sakara will be replaced by Shakara. So Bhagava Shuraha, this is one possibility. In fact, when we chant, we say Bhagava Shuraha. Some noise is there. You can mute your mic, over it maybe. Then Bhagavaha plus Shuraha. Here, Visarga is followed by Shar letter. If you look upon it as a Shar letter, then replacement of Visarga by Sakara is optional. Therefore, Visarga remains as it is. So, Bhagavaha, Shuraha. Two forms are there. The second form only you will see its application in the text. So, this is what is that Bhagavaha, Shuraha. Similarly, you can see shloka number 9, second line. Nana Shastra Prakaranaha Sarve. Prakaranaha Sarve. So, Nana Shastra Prakarana Sarve, you can say, right? Or
Yes.
Nana Shastra Prakaranaha Sarve. Can you all follow?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. So, next class, this Shruta Sandhya, which already I taught you, it's not something new. We will see that little elaborately. Okay. So, first chapter of the Gita, you take it, you find out, you see many examples. Shloka number 11. Bhavantaha sarva evahi. Bhavanta. When you chant, you can say Bhavantas sarva evahi, you can chant. Or Bhavantaha sarva evahi also, you can chant. Your choice. Kuru vriddhaha pitamagaha. Visarga followed by Pakara. Kuru vriddha.
Pitamaha.
Vinodyochaihi shankam. Vinodyochai shankam, you can say. Or Vinodyochaihi shankam, because followed by the Shar letter. Therefore, replacement of Visarga by Sakara is optional. When you replace it by Sakara, it becomes Shakara. Therefore, Vinodyochai shankam. Or if you leave it as it is, Vinodyochaihi shankam. Similarly, next line. Tataha. Tatashankascha bheryascha. When you chant, Tataha, Visarga remains optionally. Shankaha plus cha, Bheryaha plus cha. You will see a lot of examples. Okay. Please try this. Only when you try, you have to see each word where this sandhi is possible. Okay. Can you follow now this Visarga sandhi?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Anybody-
Can I ask a question? This is different, but while chanting, but normally, commonly, most of them say Tataschaiva.
That's okay.
Tataschaiva.
That's what I'm saying. It's okay.
Oh.
You can say.
Okay.
I said optional.
Oh, I know, but I know you said optional. I understand. And I haven't heard, I mean, most of the time when they chant, they don't say Tataha. They probably it's easy, they Tataschaiva.
Even in the text, it is Visarga. That's what I said. Most of the time, the text also, you will find Visarga only is there. When we chant, we replace it by Shakara, Sakara, Shakara, depending on what follows for the sake of the chanting. When you say Tata Shveta, it is better than Tataha Shvetai. It's not better than this. It's also okay. It doesn't affect, it's not going to affect the meter. Tataha Shvetai also is correct one. Tata Shvetai or Tataha Shvetai.
Thank you, Sharan.
Okay, so we'll stop here. Please do homework. We have got two homeworks. Dvau,
Yes, sir.
Dirgha Patau, Staha or Asti or Santi or Swaha Smaha. Dirgha Patau dash.
Staha.
Yes, Staha. That itself is the homework. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Guruji.
Hari Om Guruji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Harihi Om Ji.
धन्यवादः
Thank-
स्वामीजी।
धन्यवादः.